So here we are down in a place near Apollo Bay, right down Western Victoria, and this is my squid pole. So mine's a 7 metre squid pole. I usually find the first one is quite flimsy, so what I do is I'll pull that out, but I won't fasten it, and then I'll pull the second one out, put the first one back in to the second one, and then I'll just use it from the second one. I don't need the full height anyway, and I'll pull that tight, and I'll keep going up, and that's what I'm going to do with my squid pole. So next thing I've got is my antenna here, which I keep in this box here with all spare parts in case I need it, and the rope that I tie it with is the rope that I'm going to use for my squid pole. Because I'm travelling, I like to travel light, and I'm going to start on the 40 metre band, which means I'll need all of this cable, all the antenna. So I'll put that up now. So here I am installing my antenna. I've got another video which I suggest you watch that also shows you how I made it and how I've installed it. It's very easy and I'd encourage you to do it. The first step I do is to detangle it on the ground. It's a lot easier to detangle it on the ground than up in the air. So if you detangle it now, it'll look a lot better up in the air and it'll also go up a lot easier. So the same rope that I used to keep the antenna together in the car, the little red rope that I showed you before, that's the same rope that I use to hold up my squid pole. I keep it all nice and neat and don't carry too many different things because often we're travelling and camping, so we've got to minimise how much we take. But now I'm putting up the pole and then I tie it up as I'm putting it up. Now once it's up to the right height, I can put out each side of the dipole. So I put it, in this case, out to a tree and just tied it to a tree or a small shrub, and I try and make the angle at the top 90 degrees with each other or 45 degrees to the pole. So this is my power supply. It's a dual battery in the car, so I'm just going to disconnect that now from the car and then I'll plug my radios into it and then we'll be on the air shortly. So there's my antenna there. You can see just there I've got some blue tape. I've got some blue tape here, and that's where my joiners are, and I've written on there which bands when I disconnect that. Got the same thing down the other side too. So that's what it looks like. So these are just little joiners. I've shown you in another video how they join, and I just put them together depending on what band I want. So I've got 10 metres, 20 metres and 40 metres. So the whole thing together is 40 metres or 20 metres, those two, or 10 metres. I was going to make one for 80 metres, but I just don't have the space. And pretty well everywhere I've gone, I don't have the space. I do have the cable to make it in the car, but I've never had the space. So there we go, there it is, while we're away camping. Have a look at my other videos and you'll see how I managed to talk all around the world on this antenna. And yeah, a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. If you do enjoy this, please like and subscribe and have a look at my blog page as well.